So, Sabby, there is no way. Why did you spawn me a job? What the? What the?
Bicicleteira,
What
bicicleteira.
the? What the? What the? What the? What the? I'm literally crying. A Bicicleteira spawned in my freaking server. Yes, I am, Samster. It'll be too. Let's hope the world is ending and APT is gonna be in there because we know they were kind of popular in 2024. I was addicted. Look at this setup, man. 2 goldens and 2 normals. Man, that is a W setup, man. I'm so smart, man. I didn't even think that out, actually. Lag. Please don't disconnect me, please. It's not the time for disconnect. Holy.
Lucky block.
Oh, no!
Lucky block.
Yo! Thank you, my boy!
Lucky
Let
block.
me open this. Yo, what? I was about to wonder where the hell is the taco? I bought a taco! Where did... Holy trash. Holy trash. La cucaracha?
Lucky block. Lucky block.
This point, throw any secret. I'm taking the smell of Vaca Saturnus at Planeta.
La cucaracha. Lucky block. Cacasito satanito.
Whoa! That is literally my whole entire base filled up to the brim with lucky blocks. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Holy, you're boring. That. What was that? I just heard something spawn, but I don't know what. Oh, it's a Aquanet. It's nothing special. Oh, is it the OG? No. Yeah, but he is evil. Oh my god. Oh, he got 2 heads. He got 2 heads. Whoa. Let me play. Oh no. Cosmo will also be played only. Nah, man. That's why I'm recording, bro. So I can post this to my friends and onto YouTube. So all of y'all can see it forever. All of y'all will forever see this, all these words that I'm saying and everything. Y'all just want to see the concert. But I don't care. Give me that cake. That was sus. Can you shut up? Okay, I'm sorry. Sorry, Sinister. Spawned 5 strawberry elephants. Well, you clearly didn't, because there's none in my server. Anyway. Yo, I'm so hyped for the concert. If my parents get in the room, they should, because it's like... There is no way. The Galaxy event I haven't seen this in months. Holy. Yeah, just don't close it, man. It's just a waste of time. Yeah, you should, Samster. You should. I agree. Watermelon Dream concert in 1 minute. I like that. I'm actually put down some traps around my brain. No, they can watch it through my phone. Yeah. They can easily avoid the traps though. So if they don't avoid the traps, then they're just cooked. But okay. If anybody joins, we have a little bit of protection there. What did that sound? Sus. Hello, Gunk. Octopus. Yo, I'm so hyped, man. It's in 1 minute. Yo. Nah, bro. My phone tweaking out. No, I ain't ready. I ain't ready to see Bruno Mars. What? Y'all clearly just...
Kakazito Satani.
What kind of trash song is this? Yo, I like it. Why do you look like that though? My heart. What? 6 minutes.
Piccione Massimo.
Yes! Yes! Spawn that Bruno Mars. I'm collecting him. I'm still just happy about where.
Makramat Mamat.
Damn.
But first, may I just say that your face got me so intrigued. I'm so intrigued.
Can you shut up, Sammy?
What good is beauty if you can't find a beat? I don't want no girl, so please don't do this to me. Cause it would break my heart, break my heart, break my heart if I find out you can't.
What? Why? What did they do?
You better show me now, show me now, show me now. Cause when I take it to the floor, ooh, you gotta get down. You know what to do. Hey, Mr. DJ.
Yo, Loki, I like the music. I like the music. Put that in. I'm not feeling like a weird loadout, but wait, you can shine. What's playing? Wait, it's 2 songs, I forgot. Yeah, I loving this. Y'all don't know this. Oh! Oh no! I should have taken that back, Mom. 15x! Yes! No, I don't need to Flura, but I like
Flura.
Yo, what is this? That wasn't me, by the way. That was my audio. I don't know what's happening to my audio, man. Maybe it's getting messed up because of the Bruno Mars event. Maybe. I don't know. Let me just listen to this. I know this song! What's Wait, it's not. Wait, the let me free. It's not that.
Giraffa Celeste.
But I'll be posting all of this to my friends, family, to my sister that knows English. And I'll be posting this to my friend Jacob, of course. And I'll be posting this on YouTube. So it stays like very Nah! Give me that Coco Fanta. You could have retweeted my Coco Fanta. That would have been a Christmas miracle. I love Coco Fanta. Yeah, I'm taking this Coco Fanta instead. By the way, I'm a Coco Fanta and internet. Technology. What you
Coco Fanto Elefanto.
That was me buying it. I don't need it. Go to a different place. I'm loving it. Wait, let me organize my days. All of these on YouTube again. Yeah, I'll keep them on that channel. Yes! I forgot about him! Wait! My ult! Next to my PC! My dumbass! No! I'm a dumbass! What the hell am I doing? It's too late. Please spawn it in like 2 minutes.
Brunito Marcito.
No! Well, I mean, like... Wait, that's it? That's all for the concert? No, man. Spawn me like 1 mutation at least. No! Test disrespectful. AF. Yeah, spawn one actually.
Lucky block. Tronito Marsito.
Bro, he looks so Sigma. Look at him. He looks so Sigma. Just kiss him.
Lucky block.
Nobody needs 10x luck right now, bro. Bro, spawn me a dragon cannelloni, man. I need this dragon. I know you spawned me a Brunito Martito. Bro, you could have at least just make it. No. Metro Man. Dun 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 No, I don't want any talk.
Celeste. Lucky
I'll
block.
buy one.
Lucky block.
No, tell me. By the way, I also heard this on my super secret alt account. That is not that super secret. See you, Coco Country Social. See you. Patatin tra-la, patatin tra-la. I'm gonna go insane because of Berber Paddingtons and Lies. Patatin tra-la, Berber Paddington tra-la. Berber Paddington Wait, is this not the end of the brain now? Of course I did, Pookie. Oh. Yeah, sorry, that was audio recording message that you should fix your audio before recording. Oh! No, I don't want to purchase you. What? What is it? Show it. Show it. Where is it? Where is it? This ain't new brain on, man. Spawn it if you're gonna spawn it, if not just say so.
Giraffa Celeste.
What? What? Yes. What do I sell? You. Rare. Ancient. Here is ancient. Nah, I don't need. Dunk! I don't need a job.
Tung 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 sahur.
Yeah! Don't sahur! He is back in Daddy's arms! What the? That was kind of sus. Too sus. I'm taking the last lucky block. I don't care if you're muted or not. Where is the last Lost luck.
Los Lucky Blocks.
What? She want me to have 300 lucky blocks. I have never seen that.
Cheese.
I got the tongue. See you in hell. Nice. Here's the last lucky.
Los Lucky Blocks.
Nice. We got kidnapped. What? I must leave him out of his neighbor if he's bad. Of course he's gonna be bad, so yeah. Actually, I'm gonna keep people work for me forever. On my children! Good boy. Watch on the rabbit! I need to cook him for dinner later. What? That's why I needed to rebirth. I'll rebirth when I get my important brain knots, which is Bruno Mars. Sigma. Yes. Bisonte Jupiter. You. I have only 7 slots. Oh, I have 9. Wait. You. And I need to stay on my alt. So you are going with me forever, little bro. I know he is screaming no from the insides. I know he is. They are multiplied. Sammy, can you spawn some good ass secrets? Why do you every time I get in here stop spawning these ugly AI generated brain rots?
Lucky Block.
What exactly? Crap. Is there anything useful in here? Some kind of secret? Oh, crap. I could use my PC for a different account. So if I get other stuff... What? Anyway, get in my folder. Get in here. I don't care about it. It's from my brother's Discord. Join Vex. Wait, I forgot I'm in a private server. Oh no! Let me just join. He needs everything. Give me a Los Mateos.